You know, a lot of times you have plastic like this on your RV. Once the RV gets a few years old, it starts to fade from the sunlight. And I finally think I found a product that can get rid of that. And what I have is a Cerakote Trim Kit. And basically it's just a wipe-on kit. If you don't know what Cerakote is, it's a brand name for a ceramic coating that bonds to the pores of unpainted plastic and that provides a durable coat. And I'll put a link in the description where I bought it. The coating is advertised to last for 2 years or 200 washes. And this is not that expensive. I think it was $16 for 10 wipes. And they give you some gloves. And I'm going to go ahead and put a pair of gloves on. And you get 10 wipes packets in the kit. And the instructions are to wash the plastic before you apply it to a completely dry and clean surface. And then allow 30 minutes to dry before exposing it to water. And what I'm going to do is just do half of it. And then we'll come back and see, compare it, see what it's like. So what we're going to do is leave the bottom half undone and then come back once it's dry and see what it looks like. But in the meantime, we're going to try to coat some other things, like this here is all faded. We'll just coat this real nicely. So it's been 30 minutes. This is dry. And look how faded it is where I didn't try it. So we'll just finish up here. I did this. Also did this. This is a plastic cover to the furnace. I hit the rubber cover here for my combination lock. And I also did the refrigerator vent. I mean, that thing looks like factory new.